Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to edit mobile version of Canva website. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your website design on Canva just like you normally would. Begin by editing your website as you would for desktop, arranging text, images, and elements so they look clean and professional. But keep in mind that what looks great on desktop might not appear the same on a smartphone, so once your design is ready, it's time to check how it appears on mobile. Next, use Canva's preview feature. To do this, click the preview button located in the top right area of the Canva editor. Once the preview opens, look for the mobile icon, which looks like a small phone. Click on it to switch to mobile view. This will instantly show you how your website appears on a phone screen. Here's where you'll start noticing details. Maybe the text looks too small, an image is off-center, or buttons are too close together. These are the things that need fixing for a smooth mobile experience. Go back to your design and make adjustments such as increasing font sizes, repositioning buttons, resizing images, or adding more spacing between sections. After each adjustment, revisit the mobile preview to see the changes in real time. Once everything looks perfect, save your changes and preview the site one final time to confirm everything functions smoothly on mobile. And that's it. So that is how you can edit mobile version of Canva website. So that's all for this video. Thanks.